Hello, this is Mr. Jacobson, and I'm just throwing together a quick little video tutorial on the basics of creating animated logos with Vectorian Giotto. It's kind of like a poor man's Adobe Flash. A lot of similarity in the tools here. We're going to bring in two graphics that have been previously prepared so that all the corners have been removed. We're preferring PNG formats that support that transparency. And we're going to start on layer 1. I'm going to left click under that first frame and then go up here and insert a bitmap, although technically it's a PNG. I created a project folder, and this is where I loaded those PNGs. I'll start with Pinkie Pie here and bring it in. I'm going to bring Pinkie Pie kind of in the upper left corner. Now we could right click and convert Pinkie Pie to a symbol, and that would give us some additional functionality. We could go click one of the free transform tools, and that way they could spin, rotate, shrink, grow, skew, all sorts of things like that, but that's for another time. I'll just leave it as just the bitmap. I'm going to go out here and make this little repeating logo 40 frames long, so I'm going to right click under the 40 and insert a keyframe. And then I'm going to have my little pony go into all four corners. So 40 divided by 4 is 10. I'm going to right click under the 10 and create a motion tween and move it to the other corner. And then left click under the 20, move it down into that corner, and 30, the final corner. And if we reverse this and play it, we can see that it makes a full circle. Now, to get this out of the way so I don't accidentally select it, I'm going to go under here and a little eyeball picture, believe it or not, and click on that dot, and it puts that layer to sleep. We'll now add another layer and set the playhead at the first frame and insert our other bitmap, which is the cupcake. And I think we'll put that one down in the opposite corner. And repeat the same process. Go out to 40. Insert a keyframe, go under the 10, and create motion tween. Just takes the whole line between keyframes and does all of our hard work for us. Click under the 20, bring it up to that one. It's going to kind of create a chasing effect. And lastly there. And if we undo both, we can reverse that and see that they're kind of chasing each other. And then for the final, we're going to add a little title layer. This is where things can get crazy. Drag that up to the top so it's on the top. I want to take a moment here and make sure all this work we've done is saved. So we're going to save it into the project folder, and I'm going to call it logo. And we can always open up this file and add to it later. When it's time to complete our game, we're going to say export the Flash movie, and it will be called automatically logo.swf. Okay, so for some words on top, I'm going to pick this over a little bit, probably something large and fun. I don't know if that's the right one or not. MLP. I guess that's good enough. Alright, now this little title is only going to show on the first frame, so we're going to go out here and right click and insert a keyframe there. And it's not going to move, and it's always going to be on top. If we wanted to change the order of what's on top, we can just drag the layers. Also, if we want to modify the background, we go into modify document, and I don't know, maybe pick something different. That doesn't work very well. Let's try. There we go. Something pink. Alright. Now if we reverse this, our flying logo is done, and the final product will actually repeat. So let's go ahead and export the Flash movie. See, there it is, logo.swf now. And we don't need to compress it, we'll just OK it. And let's see if I can go grab the folder and see what happens when we play the whole thing. There it is, logo.swf. If I click on it, it brings it up in the whole browser. Of course, it's not fitting, it just was a little bit larger than the original. But it will stretch to fit the size of the screen. As you can see, here we go, that fits. And voila, we're done.